Good afternoon, students. Standard 4th, subject EVS 1. So, children, chapter number 22, Transport and Communication. As we have already learned about different means and modes of transport in our part 1 video. Today we will learn about communication. So children, let's begin. What is communication? So children, what does communication means? A very important question. Communication is an exchange of ideas, feelings, or meanings between two or more persons. As you can see in this picture, they are talking, yes, so communication is an exchange of ideas, feelings, or meaning between two or more persons. So now it is clear what is communication. Let's see the means of communication. Now children, emails, SMS, calls, MMS. Okay, these are the modern means of communication. Letters, and hundreds of years ago, people used to send messages through pigeons. So these are the old means of communication. A few centuries ago, messages were sent by tying a letter to the foot of a pigeon. So here children, you can see few centuries ago, people used to send the message by tying letter to the foot of the pigeon. Messages were also sent through runners, in later times telegrams, and the postal service came into use. All these methods were very slow as compared to the modern methods. Now children, these are old methods which were used for communication. Nowadays we have modern methods of communication. Now in this picture you can see the evolution of telecommunication. Now first, with the help of drums, people used to give the message, or by smoke signals, carrier, pigeons, and pony express, telegrams, telegraphs. Okay children? Nowadays we have new techniques for very quick communication. Communication is now used in every field. With the help of media such as radio, television, internet, mobile phones, etc. Now children, nowadays we have many new methods and techniques for very quick communication. Now communication is very important in every field. So with the help of media such as radio, television, internet, mobile phones, we can easily communicate with several people at the same time. Man-made satellites are used for this purpose. Newspaper, periodicals, books, radio, television, internet are all means of mass communication. Now you can see in this picture different means of communication: computer, radio, telephone, newspaper, cellular, letter, television or TV, and magazines. Do you know? In the beginning, man used gestures and facial expressions and different kinds of sounds to communicate. Later, different sounds came to mean different things. This led to the development of language. After spoken language, man invented writing. He began to carve his thoughts onto the walls of caves and pieces of wood. Communication began in this way in very ancient times. Now children, how does animals communicate? Cats, dogs, sparrows and crows make different sounds in different circumstances. You will find that other animals also make such sounds. This means that animals also communicate with each other. They also send and receive messages. Now children, in this picture, you can see people doing one or the other activity. Shahir, magic show, street play, puppet show, clown, bioscope. Now study the pictures given here. Now compare your list with the forms of entertainment shown here and see if they match. All these acts entertain us. These are all local and live forms of entertainment. We can see these are artists in person. Okay, these are all live show. Okay, they all entertain us. We use the radio, TV and computer and projector. We enjoy the programs on these devices. These programs are performed somewhere far away. They are filmed and recorded there and then transmitted to us. We can see and hear the programs using the devices listed above. The radio, TV, etc. are means of entertainment that transmit programs. Children, do you know? Recently, the use of mobile phones has increased. However, our beloved sparrows are disturbed by the waves coming from mobile phones. That is why sparrows are disappearing from our environment. Okay, children, you can see in this picture the waves coming out from the mobile phone. Okay, is not good for the birds, especially sparrow. Day by day, sparrows are disappearing. Now children, always remember, means of transport and communication are to be used as needed. Excess use of this means is harmful for us, for all living beings as well as for the environment. Thank you children.